Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can sign up for Skillshare. So kindly follow along. The first step is to open up your web browser, and then once you're in your web browser, in the search box, type out Skillshare, just like I've done here. And then after doing that, you'll be brought to the page where you'll see a number of blog posts. Alright, ensure you select the first one, and under it just go ahead and select sign up. Alright, and then after selecting that, you'll be redirected to another page entirely where you can continue the signing up process. So once you're on this page, you can see the write-up, get 12 months of Skillshare Premium for 30% off. You can scroll down and you see other things as well. Once you can see all of this, the next step is to click on Get Offer and then wait for it to load. Once that's loaded, you can see by the left side of the screen, you can see some options, sign up to continue, and then you can see the options are available. You can decide to sign up using your Google account, your Facebook account, your Apple account, or by signing up manually. For me, I'll be signing up with my Google account, so I will just select continue with Google. Then after selecting that, another page will open at the middle of the screen. Once you can see that, click on the Google account that you would like to use, then click on continue, and then you'll be taken to the next page. So as you can see, thank you for signing up. You'll be redirected in just a moment, and then you'll be taken to the next stage. So on this stage, you would have to input your payment method because Skillshare is a paid platform. All right, so next step would be for you to enter in your card number, then your expiration date, your security code, your country. You have, if you know how you heard about the application or the site, you can go ahead and select amongst the option here, and then move to the right side of the screen and click on Start Membership, and you're good to go. So this is basically how you can sign up on Skillshare. Very, very easy. Ensure you try it out today. Thanks for watching.